What is up YouTube, iMackshunGames HD here, and in this video I will be showing you the latest feature that I added to my music rhythm game, which I'm developing with libGDX, RhythmBeats. Now RhythmBeats started out as the @rhythm type of imitation game. I was trying to take the concept and kind of make it my own, but it didn't work out, which is why the original name was Rhythm RPG, but now it's RhythmBeats, and I might try that again a little bit later after I get the whole engine down and make it a little bit more stable. So that's where that whole idea came from. So the latest feature that I added was importing Osu beatmaps. So Osu is a really popular music rhythm game that it's in the style of like Owendon and Elite Beat Agents, which both of those games are really good. You should try them. So like clearly, like the way the game works is that like anybody could just take an MP3 and drag it in, and like map a beat map for it. So a lot of them aren't that good, but those that are good, like, bring the game to new heights. So I wanted to, kind of capitalize on that and have it to where you can download all the good beat maps and put it in the RhythmBeats and play them like that. And also, I did that too, so that way, somebody doesn't like Osu Droid because there's no video playback, then maybe you might enjoy my game, even though the format is not the same for the hit circles and whatnot, but they're kind of similar. And you can enjoy your video. So that's another idea. Another reason why that I wanted to create RhythmBeats. So yeah, so I'll show you how importing Osu beatmaps work. So I'll open my Windows Explorer and go to my RhythmBeats folder. So I have everything organized in this way, so that way it's basically a little bit more organized. I guess I could have everything in one folder, but that's not very organized. Alright, so yeah, let me start off with the beat maps. So as you can see here, I have rhythm files and I have Osu files. So Osu files are, clearly the file format that Osu uses, and rhythm files are the file format that my game uses. So I made it to where it reads the Osu file, it converts it to a rhythm file, and then deletes the Osu file. So, and for example, I'm gonna use Song for You. So I'm gonna go in my Osu folder, songs, and I'm gonna find Song for You, which is right here. It's the Tales of Exilia, opening 2. So there's 4 Osu files, so I just copied the difficulty that I want, and then I'm just gonna put it in the RhythmMaps folder. So the naming is really important. So let me see if I can find it. Song for You is up here. Oh, okay. I can delete the rhythm file, so I can show you that it actually converts and plays it. So as you can see, there's no rhythm file in there. So the background, the name of it, the background is right here. So it's the same exact name of the beat map, like everything's the same. All I did was copy and paste the title in, and .jpg. So it reads JPGs only. Osu uses JPGs, so I use JPGs too. So there's backgrounds, the music, it's the same naming convention. Just replace the original name of the MP3 inside of the Osu beatmap folder and just give the name of the actual beat map. And there's that. Same thing with the video. It's .webm. I'm using that format because it's free to use and whatnot. There's no licensing issues, so I won't get sued or anything for using it. And yeah, it's not very convenient because I never heard of WebM, but yeah, it works. And option is not really important. And this is for beatmap creation. Well, there's nothing here, but it stores BPMs or whatnot. So as I said, beatmap creation isn't the easiest thing in RhythmBeats at this point because it's mostly it was developed with me in mind. Like I just wanted to develop it to see how well I would do if I try to make a music rhythm game, and it's going pretty well so far. So beatmap creation is just kind of like it's not really for anyone else to get but me, unless I try to explain it to them. But it's kind of exactly. So yeah. So let's just start the game. Drag it out of here. So I keep stuttering. The design of RhythmBeats is really identical to Osu. Just basically because I just adore Osu. I like the interface. So I don't want to see if I can replicate it. Let me turn the music off. And you know, it's a nice little interface. So this won't be like this in the final product. It's just here as a prototype. So I'm gonna remove this in the final product. So that's good. That's important to know. So let me go in play mode and open song for you, the OSU file. So it's converting it, and then it's going to bring me to the ready screen, or the get ready. Okay, so there's that. So now if I were to open the RhythmBeats folder, it should not be there anymore. It should be a rhythm file. Boop, as you can see, there's no OSU file, there's a rhythm file. If you want to see what the rhythm file looks like, there you go. It has it's easily, you know, editable, and you can just read it. Like, you can see all the variables that I use for every node and whatnot. So I probably don't have to save all these variables, but you know, it doesn't hurt anyone to have all these variables to be seen. So yeah. Now I'm going to be quiet while the beat map plays, and yeah, basically it. And final statement, the offset, this doesn't apply anymore. This does nothing anymore. I'm going to delete this because at first the nodes were off and it wouldn't be in sync with the music, but I figured out why, and this is useless now. So yeah, good. So let's just start it up. Boop. Alright, there you have it. So, besides the fact that I'm clearly a big Tales of fan, everything seems to work pretty well, and I noticed some beat maps, there's some overlap between the long notes. I have no clue why it does that. I have to like, you know, filter that problem out. But it seems to work pretty well, so if anyone would like to download it, it works on Android, and I can try to explain how it works, but if there's a bug, I'm not really, you can tell me about the bug, but it's kind of expected to have bugs at this point, because it's not really stable yet, so that's pretty important. And yeah, that's basically it. So, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next progress update. Next I plan on, fixing the user interface a little bit more. Basically, that's basically the big thing I really need to fix. The user interface is just you know? I don't want to copy off of OSU. So that'll be a thing I'll fix. And yeah, that's basically it. See you guys later.